Hello, Jay here. It's going to be a quick lesson on B-flat major 7 chord. Okay, major 7 chords are really fun. I use them all the time. You also hear them all over the place. It could be in a rock setting, in a pop setting. It doesn't matter. Definitely in jazz too. So let's talk about it. First of all, it's good to know your B-flat major scale and what the notes are. So B-flat major scale is B-flat, C, D, E-flat, F, G, A, back to B-flat. And then if you just put a number on each note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 for the octave, that'll let you know how we sort of do the math to make these chords. Now, B-flat major chord normally would just be a triad. That's your 1, 3, and 5 for a major chord. Now for a major 7, we just add the major 7th in there, or the 7th degree of that major scale. So we're basically going to put an A in our B-flat chord. Okay, now as we stack our chords, there's going to be a lot of different positions on the neck, and a lot of these just repeat for other chords too, so they're kind of stock shapes for these chords. So get to know them. Sometimes you're going to have some open chords that might have some different personality, but a lot of these are completely movable, so you'll see the same shapes for the different notes too. I'm going to start off with the 6-string root shape. Have my index finger on the 6th fret 6th string, skipping the 5th string, ring fingers on the 7th fret 4th string, pinkies on the 7th fret 3rd string, middle fingers on the 6th fret 2nd string, and then you can cut it off right there. And then just mute your 5th string and your 1st string. Okay, the next one's going to be the A string bar chord. Got my index finger on the 1st fret 5th string, ring fingers on the 3rd fret 4th string, middle fingers on the 2nd fret 3rd string, pinkies on the 3rd fret 2nd string, barring to get the 1st fret on the 1st string with my index. Make some contact and mute your low 6th string. Okay, the next one's going to be the D string root. I've got my index finger on the 8th fret 4th string, and then I'm barring to get the 10th frets on the first 3 strings with my ring finger. And just avoid your low 2 strings. Okay, here's another one based off of the 4th string. I've got my pinky on the 8th fret 4th string, ring fingers on the 7th fret 3rd string, middles on the 6th fret 2nd string, and then index is on the 5th fret 1st string. There's one more chord that I like a lot. This is what I would consider like the 3rd string root major 7 shape. So I've got my index finger on the 3rd fret on the 3rd string, and also barring to get the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. I'm going to use my ring finger to get the 5th fret on the 1st string. And this one's got the A up on top. You can also bar further and get your 4th string. That's another nice one too. Another nice one too, if you want to get a full bar chord for your B flat and get all your 6 strings in there. Back to my 6 string root, I'm going to have my index finger on the 6th fret on the 6th string, and then I've got my pinky on the 8th fret on the 5th string. I got my middle on the 7th fret 4th string, ring fingers on the 7th fret 3rd string, and then barring to get the 6 frets on the first 2 strings. And then you can just strum away and get all your notes in there.